Whoa, my hair is kind of messy. Oh well. Hey everybody. It's obviously in the morning, and I thought I'd do a simple guitar lesson. And since last time I taught you a song in the key of G, I figured I'd continue with the key of G. So we're gonna go to learn a 3-chord song. It's G, C, D. It's called Ring of Fire, made famous by Johnny Cash, even though it wasn't actually written by him. It was written by June. And so yeah, this song you're gonna have to use the 4-finger G. It's a lot simpler than if you use 3-finger G, which you learned last time. So, the 4-finger G, basically you get the 3-finger, move your ring finger up 1 string and put your pinky right under it. And this is the first G chord I learned, so it's kind of natural to me. Okay, and then the next chord is called C suspended 2. Sounds complicated, but basically all you do is from the G chord, move your first 2 fingers down 1 string, and you got, and then you got your D chord. Okay, quick lesson on how to determine your keys for songs is your root note, G, and then you go A, B, C, D. Take these 2, what do you got? You got G, C, and D. And you do that with any key, and you can figure out what key you're playing in. Okay, so the way I play this song, it starts with a riff. So you take your ring finger, put it on the B string, 3rd fret. So it's E, okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, open B, so 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd of the B, and then E is open, B is open, and then the next part is B open, 1st fret, B open. So now a little history on Johnny Cash and his style of playing. He, the bass player, and his other guitar player do pretty much the same thing. While Johnny would be, well, the bass player, and they'd have that, like with Walk the Line, you go, the bass riff goes. And it would basically repeat. Well, Johnny's doing the same thing, but he's also playing the chords along with it and whatnot. So I can't really do that. I'm not that coordinated. So what I end up doing is plucking the bass note I strum. Go on, and from there and there. And so what I'm gonna do is simply show you the chords, the counting, and then once you get used to the counting, then the strumming pattern that I use. Okay. So for the verse, it's G 4 times. C suspended 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then after that third G, this is how I play it. I don't know if it's actually correct. I go to the D chord, and that's 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you basically repeat. So of course it's D, C suspended, and G. So, okay, now I'm going to be playing it. You could try following along if you want to. You don't have to. But I'm going to play the little riff. That's what I do for the intro, and then I play, and I'm going to be playing it the way I normally play it. And yeah, I might afterwards throw in a G scale. Yeah, so here we go with Ring of Fire. Before I start playing, I almost forgot. Another good way to learn songs is after you learn the chords, you listen to the song and play along with the song so you get the timing correct. Alright, here we go. That's pretty much the song. You know what? I think I'll teach you a G scale, because next lesson I'm going to teach you what some people do with the G scale. Like, for example, Yeah, okay, so, real quickly, take your, this is going to be played with your first, well, your ring and your middle fingers. So all your other fingers don't matter at this point, because it's simple. Okay, put the ring finger on the 3rd fret, and you play it. And then you play the 5th string open, and then you put the 2nd finger on the same string that you just picked, but 2nd fret, and then you do the same for the 3rd, and that was the 4th, and the 3rd, and then you play it open on the B, but this time you put your ring finger on 3rd fret. Okay. And then backwards. Okay, now let's get a better camera angle. Yeah, right there. Okay. And that's the G scale. Practice those things. In next video we will work on stuff.